Have you recently lost a loved one and need to say goodbye? Are you struggling to make the final arrangements for your loved one's passing? Saying goodbye is never easy, and making the funeral arrangements can be a harrowing process at a time of grief. But the right funeral service can be a great comfort at a time of loss. And with the right help from a sympathetic funeral home, the final ceremony is where the healing process can begin. Our funeral home will work closely and compassionately with you to arrange a meaningful ceremony, celebrating and honoring your loved one's life. There's no need to feel alone in this time of grief. We'll be there to guide you every step of the way to a beautiful ceremony your loved one would be proud of. Talk to one of our caring staff today.